Hi students, welcome back to our channel Chemistry Learn. In the last video, we have seen about the basic introduction of surface chemistry and also the types of adsorption, that is chemical adsorption and physical adsorption. Today, we are going to see about the topic differences between chemical adsorption and physical adsorption. Let us see. So, it is the important question, that is distinguish between chemical adsorption and physical adsorption. What are the differences between the chemisorption and physisorption? Let us see the differences. First one is chemical adsorption is very slow, that is the adsorption process is very slow, but physical adsorption is instantaneous. So, it is the process is very instantaneous, it is a first difference. Second one is it is very specific, the chemical adsorption is very specific, that is it depends on the nature of the adsorbent and adsorbate, that is the second difference. But the physisorption is non-specific in nature, it does not depend the nature of the adsorbent and adsorbate, that is the second difference. Third one is chemisorption is fast with increase in pressure, it cannot alter the amount, that is if pressure increases the adsorption process is fast. It cannot alter the amount. Amount means the quantity of the adsorbate molecules adsorbed on the adsorbent. So, it cannot alter the amount, that is amount is the quantity of adsorbate molecules. But in physical adsorption, if pressure increases, extent of adsorption increases. What is meant by extent of adsorption? That is the quantity of adsorbate molecules adsorbed per unit mass of the adsorbent. It is the extent of adsorption. So, if pressure increases, the extent of adsorption increases, that is the quantity of adsorbate molecules adsorbed per unit mass of the adsorbent increases. Then the fourth difference is chemisorption first increases with the temperature and then decreases. So, if temperature increases, the chemisorption first increases and then decreases, that is during the process the heat is supplied. So, the supplied heat itself acts as the activation energy. So, the adsorbate molecules gain the activation energy, so it gain more energy. So, finally the molecules have more energy than the activation energy. So, that is the reason that it increases with the temperature and then decreases. But in physical adsorption, it decreases with the increase in temperature, that is physical adsorption occurs at low temperature. So, it decreases with increase in temperature. The fifth difference is there is a transfer of electrons between adsorbent and adsorbate. We have already seen that there is a chemical bond formation takes place between the adsorbent and adsorbate. A strong bond is formed in chemical adsorption. So, transfer of electrons takes place between the adsorbent and adsorbate. But here in physical adsorption there is no transfer of electrons. The sixth difference is heat of adsorption is high in chemical adsorption, that is about 40 to 400 kilojoule per mole. So, the adsorption process takes place. So, finally the heat of adsorption is high in chemisorption, 40 to 400 kilojoule per mole. But in physical adsorption it is low, that is the heat of adsorption is low. It is about 40 kilojoule per mole. This is the sixth difference. Then seventh one, formation of monolayer in chemical adsorption. That is a monolayer is formed, a single layer is formed. When the adsorbate molecules are adsorbed on the adsorbent, a single monolayer is formed. But here in physical adsorption, there is a formation of multi-layer. So, how the multi-layer is formed? That is first a monolayer is formed. That monolayer itself acts as the adsorbing surface. So, continuously the adsorbate molecules are adsorbed on the adsorbing surface. Here monolayer itself acts as the adsorbing surface. So, continuously layers are formed frequently. So, finally a multi-layer is formed in the physical adsorption. So, eighth difference, adsorption occurs on surface area. So, adsorption process occurs on the surface area only, but in physical adsorption occurs on all the sides of the adsorbent, that is the adsorbate molecules are adsorbed on the adsorbent. So, the adsorbate molecules are distributed throughout the adsorbent. So it occurs on all the sides. This is the eighth difference. The last one, formation of activated complex with activation energy. That is, in chemical adsorption, the heat supplied itself acts as the activation energy. So a formation of activated complex with activation energy takes place in chemisorption. But here, physical adsorption, the activation energy is insignificant. So these are the 9 differences between chemisorption and physisorption. So if you all like this video, please share this video, comment it, like it. Please subscribe our YouTube channel Chemistry Land and also press the bell icon. Watch the full video. Thank you.